Seeds are amazing. They are so diverse and beautiful, and they are found all over the place. Once you start recognizing where seeds are, you'll start seeing them in all sorts of places, including your pantry. So many of our food staples around the world are seeds, including corn, beans, many seeds themselves, wheat. They are seeds, and that comprise many of our diets. So a couple seeds that we're going to look at today belong to the composite group of plants, these flowers here, where you have both ray and disc flowers, much like a sunflower. And you know that the seeds for these are ripe and mature when they start to dry, when the color is absent, and you see just a little tuft of papery seed fluff basically around these, and they will break apart quite easily, and attached to that little fluff are the seeds. So quite small in many cases, and you'll find sometimes dozens to hundreds of these seeds per flower. So this is an example here of the Angelita daisy if you wanted to collect these. And right next to us here we have the red fairy duster. And these flowers will produce these beautiful pods, and when they're green like this, they're not quite yet ready to harvest. They're going to dry and start to curl up, turning a little bit brown, but you have to be careful because there's a very narrow window between when they're green and unripe and when they dehisce like this and curl back, exposing the seed. So this one is actually ripe, but the seed's still clinging to the seed pod. Sometimes it actually drops. So there's the seed, there's the old seed pod. You'll find anywhere from 1 to 5 or 6 per flower. This is a stem from a penstemon, so it's finished blooming. So this is a great plant to save the seed and scatter around your yard for wildflowers the following season. And all you really have to do is just, when you're cleaning these plants up, you can break or cut these off. And actually the easiest if you're doing a bunch is to put them in a bag upside down and just shake them out. But just to show you how many seeds can be in each of these, we'll shake out a few of these pods here. And what you're looking to collect are the little black seeds that are contained in each of these pods. And if you break them up, you can generally get a lot more seed out than just by shaking. So the black, almost square seeds are what you're looking for. And those can be saved for sowing later in the following season. So with this diversity comes a lot of different things that you might need to know to sow the specific seeds. But if you're saving the seed, one key thing you have to know is that seeds are alive. They are breathing in essence, and so they need to have that oxygen exchange, and we cannot put them in plastic, especially if there's any moisture at all present. So it's really safe to just keep them in paper containers. To make your own seed envelopes, this is a great way to do a very cheap method of storage. So you basically just do a tri-fold and then 2 folds again, tucking one end into the next. It's totally contained. Label what your seed is, label the year. It's great for storage. You can make them any size that you want to. Very easy for seed storage, and if there is any moisture contained, you won't have any rotting issues. So seeds have a shelf life. Some are very quick. They only last for a season, maybe a year. Some will last for many decades to centuries. So there's a big diversity there, but they're just absolutely amazing. And you can really do a lot if you start saving seeds to grow your own seeds out.